Hello and welcome to Toys Are Evil. Today we'll take a look at SKARL ROBOAPE. SKARL ROBOAPE, designed by CZ Blank, produced by iNCH Lab of Malaysia. Thank you for this piece. Let's have a quick look at the figure. I'm gonna do a quick turnaround. Maybe that'll help. Hope you can see here. The shape and the design is the form is immaculate. I mean, I personally love the aesthetics and the shape, and the proportions are fun. I would say fun. That retains the context of the apes, enlarged forearms, limbs. Oh no! Finger dropped off somewhere. Wow, I didn't notice this when I saw it just now. Anyway, this is enlarged arms and the body form. When I first held the figure in my hands at Singapore Comic Con last year, I was amazed at the size, sheer size in hand, and the form as well. And it's great that I have a chance to look at this figure right now. Let me show you the articulations. What a menacing look. Very cool. Multiple articulations at the arms, the limbs. So you can go as if it's like, give me, I will eat you. Okay, maybe not lah. The waist as well. So there's quite a bit of posability. Bit of a catch here is that it on a still form or still shape, everything is symmetrical and cool, but maybe when it turns a little bit, I guess this would be the takeaway. I would say takeaway. This would be the concept that you live with, as well the edges here, which is fine to me, not big issue because it carries forth everywhere else. So that is a very cool context the figure to be had. Sculpt again is cool. Paintwork is, I can't say is immaculate because you can see a little bit of spill, but other than that, all good lah. Love that the ears at the bottom and not at the side or top. But then again, this is ROBOAPE. It's a bit wasted though that this arm is gone. Oh, I found it. I found it in the bag. Yeah, I found it in the bag. Okay, it's a bit tricky lah. I have to super glue it back. And because of that, I can see clearer the paint apps as well. Not fantabulous, you can see from here. Can you see the details here? Let me try to focus a little bit. It is not individual fingers just by itself, but probably more molded aspect of it. Hollow. Bit of a waste lah. I'll find a way to sort it out. There's a bit of vinyl stretching here as well. Called vinyl stretch. I don't know what's the official term for it lah. I'm sorry, man. So this probably might be the factory pieces that came out. I'm all good. This is one of 2 editions that will be released. It comes with the decal at the back. It's one of 2 editions, as I've blogged about before. There'll be another edition, not too sure what it would be. Probably there's an image of it posted before, but I'll link to my blog post now so you can have a clearer look. Nearly forgot the markings. To me, the marking on the toy is important because yeah, you need to know where they came from anyways. So there's iNCH Lab on top, CZ Blank. Yeah, that's cool. Nevertheless, this is my quickie review of the SKARL edition ROBOAPE from iNCH Lab. Thank you for watching.